Hallo zusammen, was geht ab? I'm 𝗟𝗘𝗧'𝗦. I'm currently an upcoming senior at Fairfield University. I'm doing a business internship here in Berlin, Germany. My major is international business. My minors are German and business analytics. I absolutely love it here so far. And I'm going to take you a day in the life on the Instagram story of AIFS abroad here in Berlin. And I'm going to explain everything as we go. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Transportation here in Berlin is, as you can see, the trams just go in the middle of the road with the cars and the traffic, along with the bikers. And there's stops everywhere. And if you can't get onto one of those, you can go on the U-Bahn or the S-Bahn, which are everywhere. They're always running about every 5 minutes. Well, they stop at 3 a.m., but they're amazing. The public transportation here is very, very good. And along with all of that, anywhere you go, rentable scooters. Anywhere you go, there's about 1 million of them, which makes transportation so easy. Yeah, it's super easy to get around, and you can just put in the directions into Google Maps on your phone and it will just walk you through how to get anywhere. It will tell you exactly where to walk to go down the stairs, which platform, which way the train's going, and they go like about every 5 minutes. And they go in about every direction, they're always moving. So it's really, really easy. And AIFS provided us with the Deutschland ticket, which you can use any public transportation for free. For our time here, you just scan it from your phone if they ask for your ticket. I've never seen an easier system.